How to shade with pencil realistically. Shading is the process of applying varying levels of darkness to create the illusion of form and depth. Aside from practicing proper shading and blending techniques, a good understanding of light, planes and contours are crucial for turning a flat line drawing into a realistic portrait that conveys the illusion of form, bringing your drawing to life. To achieve a realistic drawing that communicates form and depth, your drawing will need to have a wide range of values. Invest in a set of high-quality pencils with a range of grades that fit your specific drawing needs. A typical full set of pencils will range from 9H, hardest, to 9B, softest. Having a full set is not necessary for portrait drawing. The range you need depends on the type of drawings you do. Hard pencils produce clean, sharp, and light lines which are great for sketching, architectural drawings, product sketches, and many more. The harder the pencil, the more difficult it is to blend or smudge. On the other hand, soft pencils produce dull and dark lines which are easy to blend. Soft pencils deposit more graphite with less effort, making it easy to fill in space, blend, shade, and add texture to your drawing. They are the best pencils for shading and drawing portraits. If you prefer to use only one pencil, I suggest using a 2B, 3B, or 4B. They're flexible enough to reach both ends of the value scale without much effort. Here are a few portrait pencil shading techniques for beginners and experienced artists alike. Hatching. This shading technique consists of a series of lines that go in one general direction. You can increase the value by applying more pressure and/or using a softer grade of pencil. When using this technique, always angle your pencil more towards the paper so your strokes are nice and thick. This allows you to minimize gaps, making it easier to blend. Cross-hatching. The cross-hatching technique consists of overlapping lines coming from multiple directions. I use this technique to convey wrinkled or highly textured skin as well as some types of fabrics. Circleism. Circleism is great for creating realistic skin textures. The idea is to draw circles that overlap each other, building tone with each added layer. When using this technique to draw skin with fine wrinkles, use a sharp tip. For smooth skin, angle your pencil more so you get slightly blunt circles which are much easier to blend, giving the skin a softer appearance. Contour shading. This technique is similar to hatching or cross-hatching, except you are curving the lines to follow the contour of the form you are shading. Contour lines can be drawn vertically, horizontally, and even diagonally. This is a great shading technique to practice giving form to your line drawings. With a sharp pencil tip, it's great for shading fine wrinkles. If you want to learn how to shade with pencil realistically, I suggest you to check out Pencil Drawing Made Easy. It is an awesome online pencil drawing course which I know you are going to love. The course contains 32 hours of video lessons plus PDF download which will show you how to draw the neck, cheeks, chins, beards, mustaches, hands, clothing and even hyper-realistic portraits.